Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Hyundai Accent trunk without a key. First, you'll need to be inside your vehicle. Most Hyundai Accent models feature an internal trunk release, typically a lever or an electronic button. This is the most reliable method when your key fob isn't available or working. It's designed for convenience and as a backup. Always make sure your car is in a safe, stationary position before you try to access the trunk from the inside. If you find yourself locked out of your Hyundai Accent and need to get to the trunk, your first step is to gain entry to the car's cabin. The safest way is always to use a spare key, if you have one. Alternatively, a professional locksmith can assist you without causing damage. Some older models might have a physical keyhole hidden on the driver's door handle. Once inside, you can proceed to locate the internal trunk release. Once you're inside your Hyundai Accent, finding the trunk release is usually straightforward. In many models, you'll find a small lever located on the floor, typically to the left of the driver's seat, often next to the fuel door release. For other models, it might be an electronic button on the lower dashboard, near the steering wheel. Always check your owner's manual for the exact location specific to your Accent's year and trim level. Finally, it's important to know about the emergency trunk release. If someone accidentally gets locked inside the trunk, there's a glow-in-the-dark handle or lever located on the inside of the trunk lid. This is a crucial safety feature, mandated in many regions, allowing for quick and easy escape. Always ensure this mechanism is unobstructed and functional. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.